Yo, chillin' with your boy Breezy, man. Welcome to episode 2, you know what I'm saying? It's Breezy, real accustomed. Be fill y'all in on what I've been doing, updates on the Rusty Nickel, which is the 79 Ford f100, you know what I'm saying? And let you see how, you know what I'm saying, the prime the hood, everything got it flat black. And I probably mix in, let you see how the process of how I did, you know, the roof, you know what I'm saying? So same process I used on the roof, same process I used on the hood, you know what I'm saying? But on the roof you get a little more details, you know what I'm saying? So y'all guys stay tuned, man. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, at the end of the video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. Thanks for your support, you know what I'm saying? Like always, man, stay humble and stay blessed. All right, y'all. Just hit the Rusty Nickel hood. You know what I'm saying?
Go down.
I gotta do under here next, but overall, I said I'm doing pretty damn good.
I don't know who I was gonna pull up, and who can pull up.
Shit, that what happened.
Yeah.
Yeah, that what happened. Yeah. Got a little bit more to do. We'll get it right. Yeah. Oh yeah, I got a chance to put that brake booster on too. And slowly bring the bike back. So I did good. Yeah, I sanded it. Well, I sanded it down. I used some 80 grit. Got it smooth as I could and came back with some 120. Yeah. And I sealed it. Some of that rusto, black rusto. And then came back with the primer. And I used the primer that you can sand, so the filler, it fills in scratches and stuff like that. I always better come back and sand it some more to get it smoother. All the products I use came from O'Reilly. O'Reilly is not sponsoring me, but you know, that's why I shop it mostly. You know, I mean, no disrespect to idols on there like that, because I deal with them sometimes too, but O'Reilly's my first choice. Like I said, next time we getting up under here, under the hood. But now I believe I'm gonna take the hood off of it. Probably take the hood off. Yep, here go the Rusty Nickel, y'all. Yep. Oh yeah, it's that 351 Cleveland in it too. That's a rarity. Floor still looking good. Never mind the mats. I ain't want to step on it. I just ain't moved them, but you know. Overall, for 79, she ain't bad. You know what I mean? For 79, I want you to get a chance to look at the miles. Look at the miles. Yep. Look at the miles. Yep. Yep. Y'all stay tuned. Like, subscribe, share, hit that notification button. It's your boy Breezy. You know what I'm saying? I'll be keeping y'all squared up on what I'm doing. Yep. You know, like always, stay humble, stay blessed. Until next time. Nah, bro. You'll see me tomorrow. Alright. I done sprayed roof out, letting it dry. I get ready to do it like I did the hood. You know what I'm saying? Show you what I use. Again, O'Reilly do not sponsor nigga, but that's where I shop at. That's what I seal it with. I hit it with this first. Take my time. I come back behind it. The primer. You know what I'm saying? Feel light scratches, sand easily. You know what I'm saying? And the outcome be like the hood, you know what I'm saying? Got my boy, little brother Trill and them motherfuckers, man. We out here, well, excuse my language, you know. You two don't want your cussing. And yeah. My sister-in-law over there. Cuz, Dub Diesel.
What's the name of the vlog? What's the name of the
You know what I'm saying? AB's World of Custom, like.
Hey man, you already know, man. AD World Custom. We in this thing doing it big. You know what I'm saying? For the 9921. Take that. Boy, got this thing right.
Hey.
Good Chris side, man. You getting it done. Got that flat. What's the name of the stuff?
It's that flat black, man, but it's that rusto. You use the rusto to seal it, and then we come in behind it with the black prime.
Cut that, man. Let me know what I'm talking about
Nah.
first. They know what I'm talking about.
They go my mechanic there. You know what I'm saying? Shout man, the great. You know what I'm saying? My baby girl. I got everybody out here today, man. My people's in the back, you know what I'm saying? Baby on the side. It's a family affair.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about.
We'll get it together. Dub, Dub is not mechanically inclined, his body inclined yet.
Yeah, but I'm YouTube inclined.
But I'll be bringing y'all back, man, once I'm done with it. All right. You here with your boy HBZ? What it do, though? Check game, man. We're doing the roof today. I'm dry sanding, get it smooth, and I'm gonna do the roof like I did the hood. Keep in mind, I'm not done with everything that I'm doing with body work. I'm just cleaning up this rust, curing it. You know what I'm saying? This roof look bad. That not look bad. I'm taking my time. And getting it all together. And I got a chance to do this side, yeah, but the other side, I get a chance to ease y'all back in on the finished product. Or I may let y'all back in before I get done, or whatever. But I want you to know I'm sanding with some 80 grit sandpaper. It's my sandpaper. Using this. My little block. It's one of my blocks. I got a couple more. But all this comes from O'Reilly. Again, I'm not sponsored by O'Reilly, but that's where I shop a lot. So I'll let y'all back in before we get ready to do our thing.